So if we only build software using Remix, does that mean that we think Remix is the best framework for all software? No, it doesn't. I think there are many cases where you should go with different technologies. The only thing is that for web development, there are a few cases. Truly, I really think the way Remix works and the way Remix solved so many of the hurdles of building software for the web that I don't see many scenarios where I would recommend a different technology. If you're building a mobile app, then there are many cases where I would recommend going native and building something directly in Swift or Kotlin for Android, the native languages. With that being said, I think there are at least half of the cases where people are building mobile apps today where they could do one of the following two alternatives. They could build a PWA, a progressive web app, and bypass the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store and install directly to the user's device. We can have a different video talking about PWAs, or you can create a mobile app where the functionality you need to be native is native, but everything else that doesn't need to be native is a web app that's rendered inside a mobile app. So to summarize, yes, there are a lot of cases where I wouldn't recommend Remix, and because of that, I wouldn't recommend Seasoned, right? But I believe most of the cases for mobile development can be done with Remix and Seasoned, and almost every case for web development can be done with Remix.